Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In the neck of the woods, what up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome. Thank you so very much. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey, manners and respect. Now today is Valentine's Day. Let me wish you all a happy Valentine from my Jamaican kitchen and from my Jamaican family to you wherever you are. Make sure you're keeping safe. Make sure you're keeping warm. Happy Valentine's Day. Hi, me don't here say no, because we've got a Valentine surprise for you. See you in the next clip.
Hi guys, we're gonna be making some Valentine cheese sandwich, and these are my ingredients. No, firstly I'm gonna wash my hands. Because I wash my hand off camera, but I want you guys to see that I am washing my hands.
Hi family, I'm there on a bush mouth here, you know. Camera girl not here, so no please comment. You don't know she are the boss enough for this. Me a try a thing, and me and camera that time la. We are going with that thing here today. So, you don't know so she are the boss.
Alright, these are our ingredients. I'm gonna use sliced cheese because this is what we have for today. You can use any kind of cheese you wish. You can use cheddar cheese, any cheese you wish, and grate it or blend it, depends on your liking. Milk, red food coloring, bread, white sliced bread because we're gonna make it red and white for the Valentine color. We have our red scotch bonnet and our onion finely chopped. You gotta chop the onion finely because you don't want to taste the, you don't want to
taste the chunks of the onion. You just want the flavor.
You just want the flavor for the cheese sandwich. Because the chunks maybe will be a little turn off while eating the sandwich. Alright, firstly I'm gonna try to mash out the cheese with my fork. I'm using a fork. So I'm going to incorporate a little onion, a little pepper, and a little milk to get it to the paste. Just a little at a time. So as you go, your plate gonna be messy because it's cheese we're dealing with and we're using a fork. So it's gonna be messy. You see that nice paste that I got? This nice place.
Nice texture there.
Yeah. So I'm gonna incorporate my coloring now to get the red color. Okay, you know how Valentine's are red and white too.
Yes, darling.
You could use any coloring you wish to use, but I'm using the liquid one because this is the one I have right now. But you have to be very careful with the coloring because you don't want it to get bitter or too pink or too red. You have to be very careful. So I'm going to use the fork to take off the excess. See that smooth texture? That is the texture that you should be looking for, so that it can spread on the bread easily, like butter or mayonnaise. So you add the color little. Can't add it at once. So this is the color that I got, the red color, the nice red color. but you gotta take your time and be very careful again with the coloring. Now I'm gonna lay spread the, look at that. Look at that nice piece. Look at that. So
spreadable consistency. Really pretty. Smooth, y'all.
I cover my board with a red napkin with all the flowers, and you know it's Valentine, so you have to have a little excitement.
Yes, darling. Red rose for Gregory. Comment below, please. I'm around a bush mouth here.
So I'm gonna get my red knife and cut the edges. So I'm ensuring that all the braids are layered properly. So take your time when you're cutting the edges. You gotta be careful. The bread is so soft.
You want a piece of that we eat. Okay, y'all, take your time, because we don't want saka the bread too much.
Look at that pretty red and white color.
Just go down light, light with the knife. Just light, just go right down light with it. So open it up now and both to both. Let's see what is happening inside here. Turn it around the two pieces to them. Okay, this is what.
That's pretty color.
Okay.
Well guys, this is my finished look. This is my presentation. You guys could take it and make it your own and shape it whatever way you like. You could use a cookie cutter, anything that you would like, but this is my presentation. The red and white, the Valentine theme. You notice I have my red napkin with the roses, so you have to make excitement in your relationship.
Red rose for Gregory.
So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Okay, Paris family, Paris is on the Jamaican Debbie Debs train, and if you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? So that was like just camera daughter-in-law's little contribution to Valentine's. You know, so most of the Valentine's up there mostly tied to the younger people, you know, not older people too. Valentine is just a day for love overall, but you know the young people them take it out of proportion, and you don't know them I live them life and all of that. So I have nothing to do with it. I don't know it tastes. I've never done it, so she want me to come taste it because them know me love nyam. So I'm gonna be tasting it for you. I've never had it before, I'm telling you. So I want to taste it and I want to try to say the best. Me attack it through. It's nice. The cheese is nice. That little saltiness from the cheese, the little pepper kick, and the little flavor from the onion. It's good. Hello, please. When you eat a few of these, if the love is dying, it will be reignited with this little spice in it. I'm telling you. It's good. Really good. Nice appetizer. So if you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. What are you waiting for? When you do subscribe, remember to smack the bell. Smack the bell, smacking the bell. Let me take them out of the way before the video going to get too long and I start with the morning. Smacking the bell will enable you to know each time a video is uploaded from the Jamaican cooking journey. Okay? Then, as soon as you watch the video, you can be in the first or second or third to comment. Then you will be a member of our post notification shout out crew. Today's post notification shout out goes to, up top you'll see your name, live and living colors up there. Now, I don't know we not talk Tory over here. We talk Tory over on the Jamaican Debbie stream. But me have one look at Tory if you tell them, don't say me say the great camera daughter-in-law, she's got a YouTube channel up. Barry, if you not believe, comment and say so. The great camera daughter-in-law, we don't want to see nobody, we don't want to look in a camera. Yes, she and Camera's son, they have a YouTube channel up. It seems they were contemplating it for a long time. So, just go check them out. We'll leave the link to their channel in the description of the video. And also, we'll leave all the little ingredients that she used and the little proportion. Remember, you saw what she did. Well, watch the video over on and on. Like me want to know me chat loud and singing. So, if you don't get it the first time and you want to try this video, you look over, look here. The Valentine Day always come at a wrong time when there is no money. You ever notice it? Yeah, they always gone, just gone, Harry take forever for come. So you know you don't have a lot of cash. Or if you just don't want to be out, you want to do it at home. You just have this as your little appetizer. Meanwhile, you make your little shrimp and your little fried rice. Like that. You will know how to do your thing and incorporate it. It's a lover's thing. Take it and make it your own. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember to look for the link to Camera Daughter-in-law's channel in the description of the video and all that she did. Once more, Debbie from Donga Yard, bless, no stress.